Hey guys, this is Andrew from MarineMax Danvers here. Today I'm going to be walking you through a brand new boat of ours in our showroom. It's the Saxdor 320 GTC. Starting in the back of the boat here, you see this boat's powered with twin Mercury T-Black 300 horsepower engines. Plenty of power to get you up on plane and get you where you need to be. This boat is very efficient. Back here, you're going to see there's a very nice setup with a table and seats for you and your guests to enjoy when you're at the dock, underway, doing whatever you need to do. And with that setup, this boat does come with two drop-down terraces here that extend the beam of the boat in your use on the water. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to see this boat does have a sliding glass door, giving you the ability to be an open day boat or fully enclosed. Very cool boat, really checks all the boxes. On the port side, you're going to see you have a cooktop and a sink. Easy for getting what you need. And on the starboard side, you're going to see your seating area with the drop-down table that does fill in to be a berth, and these seats will flip around to face forward. Making our way up to the dash, this boat is going to be fully loaded with electronics. So you're going to have your twin Simrad package, your joystick, your active trim, everything you need to be comfortable in the water while you're navigating. This boat does come with a retractable sunroof as well. Nice when it's nice out, get the sun beating down. And when you look down into the berth, you're going to see that's a very spacious V berth. Easy, like I said, it's a perfect boat for being a day boat, overnighter, whatever you want it to be. So for more information on the Saxdor, please give me a call. My name is Andrew at MarineMax Danvers, 978-879-3721. Thanks.